Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into building your private label cosmetics brand online. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about your brand identity. This is the foundation of your business. Think about what makes your cosmetics unique. Keep your branding consistent across all platforms. Next, let's move on to social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are perfect for beauty brands. Create high-quality content showcasing your products. Think tutorials and behind-the-scenes looks. Now, your website. It should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use professional photos, detailed product descriptions, and customer reviews. Email marketing is a must. Send newsletters with updates, beauty tips, and special offers. Personalized emails can boost loyalty and drive sales. Lastly, invest in online advertising. Use targeted ads on social media and search engines to reach beauty enthusiasts. Track ad performance and tweak your strategy as needed. That's it. Consistency and engagement are key. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.